Hi, accessibility in education is a huge thing right now. Um, the hearing impaired make up 1% of our student population. Um, Physical disabilities make up 4% of our population. Um, Visual disabilities make up 1% of our population, and cognitive disabilities make up 9% of our population. In order to make sure these students are getting what they need, we need to make sure that accessibility in education is top notch for our students, meaning we should have assistive technology to help these students. We should have captions on videos to help these students, transcripts on our videos. Um, all of these things can help along with making accessibility in education successful for our students who have disabilities.